it's so cold. Chia.
That
was so scary. I was literally trying to text the group chat me, Bella, Asia, DJ.
You're angry.
Whatever. You're scary.
Oh, you just gotta be nice to them. You have to be nice. Those are cute. For like newborn. Nana, you like an outfit like this?
Nope.
Why?
It's scary.
It's cute. What are you gonna get? See, they have mango, strawberry, green apple. They have a lot of flavors. Sugar, passion fruit.
It's all coconut.
What do you want to eat, Nana? What? Keep looking over there.
I don't know, but I have a napkin.
You need a napkin. Oh, you want to get some fruit cake? This fruit cake looks good. Check for no one, no Jay. Spring rolls? Bánh bò. Chị tao có thay phải nói cho. Fish. Oh, yeah, sick. I should buy him one of these too. Kapong chicken. Okay. So much stuff. All the same.
Thai sauce is 10 for $5.
Sick. Joel. Hi. Do you want anything over here? These sesame balls are so good. Phấn Joel. Morta. $40. No, it's just no. Baby green mango, Logan. Oh, the fruit looks so fresh. We're always here to look around store because we're there just oh, look at their green bean. Looks so fresh. Pink guava. I think I'm gonna buy one of these. Girl, it's cute. Joy. Are those pink pineapple or just regular pineapple?
Look regular to me.
Well, it would tell you right there. It would say, yeah, these ones are just regular. Dollar Tree here. And this one. Veggie. Oh, look at this. Hi. Oh my god, look at it. So red. I don't want a whole box. These. Logan. Lychee. Like this one. Your fall like to eat these, but I don't know if I want to. I'm looking at keychain, Nana.
It's BTS.
BTS keychain? How do you know it's BTS?
Because it's BT21.
Có bao nhiêu à?
I don't have some.